Okay, so today, hi guys, this is part 6, and I'm just joining this. And wait a minute, who made this for me? Wait a minute, who made this for me? I don't know who made this for me, so this is great. I need this for my... No, I need this. Alright.
英國首相施紀賢結束中國嘅行程，轉到日本。佢喺訪華嘅最後一日，同上海市委書記陳吉寧會面，強調英方重視對華關係。英國首相施紀賢訪華最後一日，星期六上晝同上海市委書記陳吉寧會面。施紀賢話：此行帶同超過50個英國商界、文化界等領域嘅代表一齊到訪，顯示英方重視對華關係。
Oh my gosh! Where's this guy go? Maybe go here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
施紀賢訪華4日期間，先後到訪北京同上海。期間提到希望英中兩國企業把握機會，又話即使同美國係緊密盟友，英國都需要同中國交流，咁先符合英國利益。中方形容施紀賢訪華成果豐碩，展現中兩國合作廣度深度。星期六結束訪華之後，施紀賢就轉到日本，係佢上任以嚟第一次訪日，亦係2023年以嚟再有英國首相到訪。共同社引述日本網反消息報導，施紀賢會同日本首相江氏祖苗會面，並且共進晚餐。據報兩人會舉行聯合記者會。施紀賢同結束訪華入本。據報兩人會訪
What in the road?
包括強化關鍵礦物供應鏈。無線電視記者江報
I'm going back to my net. 2 hours.
司長古特雷斯致函所有嘅成員國，警告受
2 hours net for admin abuse. Okay, that's a little bit of time for you to. But if I actually do, is this my base? Wait a minute. Is this my base? It looks like it's not my base. Wait, who's this base? Oh, wait, it's my base. Did anyone go through here yet? Yes.
古特雷斯話：聯合國需要將未使用嘅預算資金退返俾成員國嘅規定，導致聯合國需要退還唔存在嘅資金。單喺今個月，聯合國就需要退返2億2700萬美元，折合超過17億港元未收到嘅款項。佢喺信中冇點名任何國家，只係話如果要避免聯合國財政崩潰，一係所有成員國都按時交足會費，一係修訂聯合國嘅財政規定。
that is
聯合國經常性預算嘅資金主要嚟自成員國經濟時根據經濟規模按比例攤分嘅會費。
What is this? What is this?
中國佔兩成。
What is this, bro?
聯合國舊年11月感謝中國繳清2025年會費，據報美國未交2025年嘅會費，累計拖欠聯合國超過21億美元嘅經常性預算，以及超過24億美元嘅維和行動費用。美國總統特朗普舊年重返白宮以嚟，相繼退出唔同國際組織，包括多個聯合國機構。佢早前批評聯合國未能執行美國主導嘅和平工作，更成立被指同聯合國打對台嘅和平委員會。佢喺瑞士達沃斯啟動和平委員會時話，委員會會成員國共同行動。無線電視記者楊卓麟報導。
We're about to go to part 4.
性犯罪富豪愛潑斯坦嘅
So
檔
let
案，
me
包括超
see
過
what's
300萬頁
part
文件同大量影片。
It has
當中涉及現任美國商
Yeah,
務部長
I'm
魯特尼
not
克嘅電郵備受關注。
nobody's
有多份嘅電郵顯示，魯特尼克喺聲稱同愛潑斯坦斷絕聯繫之後，前往愛潑斯坦嘅私人島嶼表示。 司法部話
What
最新
is
公開
this?
檔案
I'm
包括約
seeing.
2000條
What
片
is?
段同18萬張相，又話仍然有
It's
幾百
just
萬嘅
let
文
him
件喺度審
go
查
to
中，
the
可能需
put
時
a
幾個
box
禮拜
or
去處
something.
理。外國事
Put
生前
box,
同性
dude.
商界名流關係
Put
密切。
some
佢因為
boxes
捲入未
around
成
here,
年少女
alright?
懷孕喺2019年被捕，同年候審期間喺獄中死亡。
Idiots say, am I right?
休息一陣
Idiots
先
say,
睇下其
am
他
I
消息。
right? Okay, let's go back to my one.
一份選擇可以成就
Idiots look like this. A country road. Never mind.
匯豐保險呈現匯豐自願醫保靈活計劃，
Okay,
一份保單醫療費用
let
全
it go.
全球醫療網
Okay,
絡轉
new pet.
五大保障等級。
Okay, so the first one is not designed this yet.
而家仲有
And this is part 6.
嚟匯豐分行了解下啦。
Alright. Alright. And what is this? Why does it say it's full? Connect them. Connect them, stupid.
瑞士連朱古力大師匠心之作。
Connect them, bro. Why are you not connecting them? Why are you actually not connecting them? What? Are you literally stop smart or dumb? Bro, all of them is already filled. Why is it going through? Are you AFK? Maybe he is. Next thing, bro. This is the build, bro. This is the build. This is the build. Wow. Why is there so much? What? This is like literally kid. Wow. Look at that so much. Yeah, and I'm not doing. And I'm not doing. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
最大金房120秒內你完全認識警隊資訊。
真係好想做 PT 喎。
我意志達到當嘅金水平啊！機動部隊專業兼用，帶你認識嚴格訓練過程。係咪感受到 DPU 去執行任務嘅時候有幾咁有效率，幾咁專業咧？警偵102秒3，星期2無線新聞台。玩玩具。
Nobody got in 22 rebirths here, right? Someone does. What are you doing? Someone has 19 rebirths.
星期日檔案，星期日晚7點，翡翠。
I have 8 rebirths. Nice. And finally, boxes around. Finally, you're putting boxes. Finally, you're missing. Nice, but this kingdom unfilled. And why is it? This is nearly going to nowhere. It's going to nowhere, bro.
翻嚟新聞時間，大埔公路有私家車同電動車相撞之後起火，電動車女司機一度被困。
It's gotta be a non-video.
網上嘅片段見到涉事黑色私家車被燒到火光紅紅，濃煙升上半空。現場係大埔公路沙田段近沙田花園。事發後，私家車嚴重焚毀，汽車零件散落一地，同佢相撞嘅另一架電動車鏟到路邊，車頭嚴重變形。兩架車夜晚近8點鐘相撞，黑色私家車之後起火，電動車女司機一度被困，佢受傷送往屈爾斯醫院治理，意外嘅原因有待調查。警方拉咗兩個非華裔男人涉及屯門2宗縱火燒車案。屯門電區反黑組同情報組探員翻查大量嘅閉路電視片段，包括附近居民提供嘅閉路電視片段，鎖定並且拉咗兩個涉案嘅非華裔男人，分別係25同26歲，都係報稱無業。 其中一人持有香港身份證，將會被起訴縱火同刑事毀壞罪行。案發喺星期五嘅清晨，警方接報喺屯門和田村對出嘅單車休憩處有一架電單車同多架嘅單車起火。咁大約1個鐘之後，再接獲報案喺屯門和田村約500米嘅露天停車場內有7架車起火，現場有閉路電視被破壞。
Why is it too near? I thought it was so near.
唔少市民同檔主都話唔捨得。
Bro, this is unacceptable. I'm getting this
咁
back
商
to
業站隔離
here.
嘅呢一個電
Sell.
子市場，18年嚟都係唔少人嘅週末廣告處。賣衫、手作同埋玩具，仲有糖蔥餅、茶果等等嘅懷舊小食，但即將會成為歷史，盼望俾北環線興建車站。
即係有少少唏噓咯，因為都好少啲地方玩嘅呢度附近其實。咁呢度有啲可以俾小朋友嚟玩下、放鬆下。
It will be funny. If you.
石窗嗰啲，其他嗰啲都冇
If
咯。
why is it?
最後一日營業，商戶都減價清貨。賣手工布袋嘅豆豆媽告別緊上路，亦都為手作生涯作結。
我哋把年紀啦，做咗咁多年啦，都係一個時間嘅咁啊，有啲人客做幾多朋友添嘛，咁啊人當幾當就當主啦，又捨唔捨得？好多不知不盡，係啊，就並不淨係生意啦，最唔捨得我哋
經營懷舊遊戲攤檔嘅張生，從市集嘅人民8年開業至今，見證消費模式轉變。
聽日返學啊？肯定唔會啊。Go to school, young man. Yes, you are young. 8. Why is there more? Okay. 11. How did it? Gray. So I don't have grays. 7 of them. I mean, it says 8 of them. There are 11 of them. There are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And it has to be in a rainbow. Mystical, magical. Magical. And how many candies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Mama! Go up! I hate you. I wish I never let you spawn.
You met me first.
No. No, Mom.
First you go.
Mom doesn't like you. Mom likes me, not you.
I'm here first. You're the second.
By a second,
I wish I also never met you.
I wish Mom has twins and not you. And you are not my twin.
Because you are here need to.
I wish this You are not my twin brother.
Who is twin?
You are twin brother.
Or T-L-I-N?
No, T-I-I-N.
T-I-I-N.
Yes, twin.
Twin 齊聲。
No, you are. 你啊！哥哥啊！
陳宇成日做乜鬼嘢啊？
哥哥 is screaming. 哥哥 is screaming. 哥哥 is screaming. 哥哥 is screaming. 八戒是壓你得 I am 開緊合唱團。1、2、3、4